Alrighty, so this is the Rheem heat pump running. I do not want to take my iPod outside. I actually had it under this little ladder thing set up here. But it is running in heat mode. And it is actually raining right now. That's why I don't want to go out there. I just started it up. Let's see what it's like. It's starting to warm up a little bit. Takes a while. Should be. It's not even that cold outside. It's like 60. You probably can't tell, but it is running. The lighting in here. Let me see if I can adjust that. The lighting. I don't even see how the lighting can adjust that. Okay, I guess I just wanted to turn back on. I don't know. That was weird. Oh, what the heck? Hey, that was weird. I did not touch the thermostat that time. I think it just killed itself. Thermostats. I think the reason why I can't read it is because the battery's low. I'm gonna take this off. I'm not gonna bother with that yet.